Hello, in this series we will write Python codes for sorting algorithms, and we will start with insertion sort. Here are pseudo codes, and we will write Python code for this insertion sort. But for that we need a list that includes random numbers. So import random module, and we need index for our list. That will be our index number. And we will need lower and upper bounds for our list. Let's copy it and make it upper. Copy it again. I'm a bit lazy, so I copy these. So random.randint, we will create integer numbers with lower and upper bounds. But random randint returns just a number. So we need to create a list that's index long and append them in a list. So I will use for loop but we need to create a list. Let's say it's a, and a dot append value. Let's see our list. Let's give an index. Let's say it's 5, lower bound 3, upper bound 11. Okay. Now we will implement our pseudocode to Python. We will start with a for loop, but here j starts from 2, but in Python list indexes start from 0, so we will just reduce it with 1. Okay, and we will have our key, which is a jth index of our lists, and I is j minus 1. We will go with a while loop here. And ith index of a is greater than key. I and I will be I minus 1. Yeah, I don't like this. I will just give space for them. And finally, I plus 1 index of our list will be k. Okay, let's try it. Print original list here, which is it was a. Let's see. The type original list is a, and original list, because it will change in here. I will change here. Let's copy it. Sorted list will be a. Okay, let's print it. I will give a greater number, which will be 15. Lower bound, let's say 3. Upper bound 95. Didn't work. It didn't work because, as I said, we need to lower our ranges by 1. So we need to lower this 0 is -1. Oh, our origin lists also change. Let's say that copy it if it allows us. Okay. So we implemented our pseudocode for insertion sorts in Python.